Alright guys, today I'm going to show you a quick start guide on how to slice up a program using a thing on Thingiverse. So we're going to come right over here, find whatever file you want, you're going to click download all files, right? So it's going to come in a zip folder, and the one file I want you to look at, it's called files. We don't need the step file. We want the standard tessellation language, also known as STL, which I've already extracted right here. So we're going to go ahead and delete this real quick. And in order to get into Cura, there's two ways. You can browse it, desktop, Filament Welder, and you can do that. Or my personal favorite is just drag and drop it. Just like that. So there's a couple of things, just very basic. Infill, it's how much you want your part to be. Support, if you have anything above 45-degree angle, you would want to have support. And adhesion, if you're printing small objects, this is something to help you. So the blue area is the support. It's to hold small prints in place. And we're going to hit save to disk. We're going to just put that on my desktop for now. We're going to hit save. So in your SD card, you will want to go to this PC. And I actually don't have my SD card on me right now, but I'll have to find it in a second. But you're going to drag and drop it into that removable disk, and you're going to go send it to the printer. Or there's a little spot right here for the SD card. I always like to do SD. I'm going to put that in, and I was off screen. I actually already preheated my bed. So we're going to go to print, and there's the G code right there. So we're going to hit print, make sure nothing's on the board, and make sure there's filament, of course, going down, and voila. You should be printing whatever you want to print, but this is just a quick start guide. So